Have y'all ever tried blonde? I'm so nervous because this is my first blonde wig. And my husband don't like blonde hair. So, but I don't care. That's what you do. Okay, that's great. So here's the wig. Can y'all see it? Like, can y'all see me in this? I don't know. But anyways, let's take off the clips. Bust down. Oh, she feels so good. I've been delaying this install because I'm like, bro, I'm really finna put on blonde. And I just don't know how I feel about it. But here's the inside. She's cute. She's soft. The lace. So it's not a frontal. It's a closure. So this shouldn't be that hard. And I have to see the style. Oh, I told you I was a bow girly. Still adding. Alright, so this is unboxing. Come back for part 2 if you want to see how it looks when I style it. And I gotta rip this shit out. She's blonde, she's long, she's soft. Yes.